Whoops. I didn't know what I'd... Did I pause? I must have paused it. Yeah, I think I paused it then temporarily. It's okay now. Oh, so I don't know if that's technically the start of another stream, or whether I've paused it and... Yeah, I'm like that as well, Hobbit. Like, I can have meals and then snack lots in between. Right. Restarted timer, so it's a set. Oh, bugger. Oh well. I pressed a button and it came out of the... went into a menu for something, and I didn't realise. Damn it. Oh, hang on. Yeah. Oh well. Like I say, I'm still learning what I'm doing, so it doesn't surprise me really that I pressed the wrong button. Yep, always learning. Exactly. Right, swap that round. Still got a lot to learn. And I'll get there in the end with people's help. Elevenses. Mate, elevenses is my breakfast. That's when I get up some of the time. I need to get into a better routine of... Because like I say, by the time I've 11s have my breakfast at 11, 12, I have to like shift my lunch back to sort of like 3 or 4. And then I end up having my dinner a bit later. Yeah. Well, the animals, they like to stick to routines better than we do. Do you know what I mean? Right. Nope, got that wrong. Yeah, put it in the general chat in Discord, yeah. Thank you, Swampy. Right, yep. $13 kilograms. Blimey. Chunky Garfield. Yep. That? I think so. You just platinumed Assassin's Creed Shadow. Wicked, nice. Cool. Right, well, I've just realised my battery's on 4%, so I might have to... Yeah, I've just realised I'm going to have to... I might have to stop my stream prematurely, because otherwise it's going to cut out anyway, regardless. Might do Oblivion next. I don't know what to play next. Maybe the expert. Well, either of them are good ideas. Yeah. Yeah. I didn't realise how long I've been streaming and how quickly my battery had died. How quickly my battery would die. So yeah, I'm gonna pick this up again tomorrow at 3 o'clock GMT. So hopefully you'll all be back tomorrow. If not, you know, as soon as, well, at the weekend, I'm gonna put this up on YouTube. So if you can't come here, if you haven't been here today and you can't come here tomorrow, you can always watch it on YouTube at another point in time. So right, thank you for all being here. Jimbo, Hoovian Mel, King Scorpion, Foxy Kirby. No, thank you for being here. You know what I mean? I've been meaning to do the stream, so it's about time I did it. Right, so, yep. I shall see you all tomorrow, if you so choose to be here. Tatty bye.